Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the head chef lecturer here at Stein's Cookery School in Padstow, and today I'm going to talk you through my 3 most important things you'll need for seafood cookery. First off, it's got to be the filleting knife. Okay, so this is the most variable knife in the knife range really, and they all have a different bend to them. Personally, I like quite a rigid one that doesn't bend too easily. Other chefs prefer one that bends a lot. So it really is a knife that you have to pick up and feel and see if you like it really. But that bend is really, really important and essential for getting good yield when filleting fish. Secondly is an oyster knife. It's a bit bespoke. Yes, it's only for opening oysters, but if you're going to open oysters, you need an oyster knife. It's when accidents happen, you try and open an oyster with a paring knife or a sort of chef's knife, it's a really bad idea. So a good, for me, a nice thin pointy blade with a good sort of thickness to it, but long and thin, with a nice point on the end. And you'll definitely need a tea towel if you're doing that, okay? Or something to protect your hand. Never try and open an oyster without protection on your hand. And then finally, another bespoke item here, but it's a crab pick or a lobster pick. Again, you're only going to need this if you're picking crab and lobster, but it's essential, and without it you can't do the job. So they're quite inexpensive and worth having in your cutlery drawer. So there we have it. For me, the 3 most important things when it comes to seafood cookery is filleting knife, oyster knife, crab and lobster pick.